Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset Passkey of Binance. So the first thing that you have to do is go to Security Dashboard. So just log into your Binance account if possible and navigate to the Security section. So this is usually accessed by tapping the user profile icon, which is located in the top left in the application. So just look for a list of security measures, including 2FA, email, SMS, and Passkey. Next is to find Passkey management. So just scroll down until you find the Passkey option. So this might be labeled as FIDO2 or WebAuthn, depending on the app version. So just tap on the Passkey entry to open the management page, which shows any linked Passkey. So if you can't log in at all, you must use the forgot password or Passkey and link on the main login screen. So next is to remove the old Passkey. So delete existing credentials. So you should see the option to remove or delete existing Passkey linked to your old device. So select this option to disable the link, and then Binance will pop up a warning confirming that you're about to remove a security key. So just proceed by confirming the action. Next is to confirm identity. So to confirm your ownership, Binance will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number in your SMS, and you may need to enter a code from your authenticator app, which is 2FA. So this step is critical for security, so you never share these codes. Make sure you do that. So once verification is complete, the old Passkey is successfully removed. And if you have lost your 2FA, you will need to go through the full account recovery process first. Now last is to add a new Passkey. So now that the old one is gone, you have to select the Add Passkey option from the security settings page. So your device, like for example iPhone, Android, Windows, will prompt you to use Face ID, Touch ID, or a PIN to create the new Passkey. Once done, your account is secured on your current device. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!